Hi, and welcome back to another Joy of Painting. Today we're going to be painting a happy little sunset scene, so grab your paints and come along join me. First, I've covered the canvas in a gradient from yellow, alizarin crimson, and then phthalo blue. And now it's time to start. So, we're just going to grab some titanium white, get it on the brush, and just put it right wherever you think the horizon's going to be, and all the paints we laid down before will just pop right out at you. Tap wherever you think bushes should be. Maybe a tree lives here. Wash off that brush. Give it a good old smacking. Alright, now let's go into our yellows. Some Indian yellow, maybe some yellow ochre. And just go wherever you think it belongs and put in some highlights. Now I think that some snow's gonna live in here, so just grab a whole lot of white on your fan brush. Let's just go, how about right here? Just put it right in there. And just pull right down and we'll have some water in no time. Maybe some more snowy things just come right over this water, so just grab your brush and put them right on top. Pick wherever you want in the painting, maybe right here, and whoosh, there's a tree. Put on some bark. Grab the smallest brush you've got available and just put in some branches right like that. Let's just grab some green and some yellow, maybe some yellow ochre, a little more yellow ochre. Tap it right onto that brush and let's just put them right into the tree. Now let's grab the fan brush and just add some grassy little things happening at the bottom of these trees. Now I think we're gonna sign this one, so I'm just gonna grab some bright red and go right down here and write my name. Now this is looking like a finished painting, so from all of us here, I'd like to say happy painting and God bless.